How to turn on or how to turn off blink LED on your Snapchat account. Today, guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snapchat. Then as you see, when you open your Snap, you go here and click on your profile. Then click on settings. Then go to notification and open it. Then you go down to blink LED. You will turn off this option by clicking here on this blue icon like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.